I just got home from flying the brand new DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Is it the 2 or is it the Zoom? Is it the Mavic Zoom? I'm not sure, but what I do know is that this thing is a beast and I'm really impressed. Now, I've only flown this one time and you can see my reaction here. This thing is amazing. It's a couple different reasons it's amazing. I'm gonna go over those reasons here in a second of why it's amazing. I'm gonna show you some footage and all that fun stuff. If you wanna learn more about the DJI Mavic Zoom, make sure you stay tuned. Today, I kind of just want to give you my overall impression after the first time flying the Zoom. I kind of already knew the Mavic 2 with the 1-inch sensor was going to be sweet, but the question is the Zoom going to be my new favorite drone? And as crazy as it sounds, I think the Mavic Zoom is going to be my new favorite drone. And let's talk about why it's impressive. First off, 31 minutes of flight time. That's going to be for the Zoom and for the Mavic 2. Now, the features of the Mavic 2 are going to be really similar to the Zoom. You know, the Mavic 2 is going to be a little bit more high-end in terms of the actual camera itself, photos, stuff like that. But the overall form and function is going to be very similar to the Zoom. So the question you need to ask yourself is, do you really need the higher powered camera for photos and videos, or are you interested in having a powerful little Zoom camera on a very small and portable drone? One of the upgrades with the new Mavic 2 platform is going to be these new props, and then overall the drone is really quiet. I was impressed. I was flying it downtown Fort Lauderdale and it was actually really quiet. Almost too quiet, almost to the point where I didn't even know where it was in the sky. So that might be an issue. You got a lot of stuff going on with the bottom here. I don't know if you can even see it there, but if you zoom in there, you can see all these new sensors. There's sensors everywhere. This whole drone literally just has sensors built all over it because it's going to give you omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, which is basically just every possible direction that you could run into a tree or a building. Well, the Mavic is going to be able to sense that and stop you from doing that. So in the past, the Mavic had problems with people backing up into trees. Luckily for you guys out there who fly into trees flying backwards, you're not going to have that problem anymore with the new Zoom and Mavic 2. I don't want to get too technical in this video. It's more just my first reaction after flying it for the first time. I expected that the Mavic 2 would fly well. That's not a hard task for DJI to create a drone that flies well, so we knew it would fly well. The overall build quality is solid. This thing feels really solid in terms of just the overall build. You can see the battery's a little bit different there. Kind of a new battery kind of popping in the back there. You have the internal SSD. So now when you forget your SD card, you don't have to worry about it because there's an internal solid state drive which will allow you to record footage to. Also, DJI is talking about how their new gimbal system is going to be even better than before. The new gimbal is mounted a little bit different. There's some new stuff going on there. I'm no gimbal expert, but this thing definitely does look improved. And by looking at the footage is smooth. The gimbal works. The controller is very similar to the rest of the DJI drone stuff, but overall, it's going to be very similar to what you're used to with the Mavic, but it's going to be upgraded across the board. It's going to be faster, it's going to fly longer, it's going to be quieter, the camera's going to be better. Basically, everything is going to be better. I'm going to tell you that this is something that I've always really wanted. And with the Inspire 2, I've been doing this for a while with the 45mm Olympus lens on there, which has made it really cool to get those punched in shots and really create some very dynamic shots. But with the Mavic Zoom, I'm able to punch in and zoom and do some really cool things. Footage that you're seeing is really the first time out of the box, charged and flying. So I really didn't have much time to fine tune anything or really mess with it. But overall, I'm really impressed. And I think the more and more that I use it, the better I'm gonna be able to control the zoom. Shooting 4K footage with a 24mm to 48mm zoom, I mean, come on guys, I'm sold, I love it. Look at this footage, it's amazing. I only had one battery, I didn't have a lot of time, the sun was going down, so I wanted to get some shots for you guys just to show you the overall footage. This is right out of the camera. This is not color corrected, but you can tell by my reaction, I'm impressed, I'm excited. The ideas are already flowing, and that's something to be excited about because when you get a new camera, you get a new drone, does it make you excited to go out and make videos? Does it make you excited to actually use it? Well, I'm excited, so you can tell right then and there that the Mavic Zoom has that effect. At the end of the day, having a versatile zoom camera on a very small portable drone is worth a lot to me because I can fly around the world with this small compact drone in my backpack, pop it up in the air, and get some really cool, amazing shots with this new zoom feature. And I'm excited to really dial it in and kind of see what I can create. I think people are gonna be blown away with the footage that I'm gonna be able to get with this drone, with this camera. As a video creator, as a YouTuber, at the end of the day, having the tools to create amazing dynamic shots that don't take a lot of work, that don't take a lot of effort, that's worth its weight in gold to me. And I'll definitely check in soon, let you guys know my overall review after using the zoom for a while, and then also using the Mavic 2. And I'm excited to get both of them side by side so we can really see the difference in the camera and really see what the Mavic 2 with the 1-inch sensor is all about. I'm sure it's an amazing camera, but this zoom feature is just too cool to pass up. And this is definitely gonna be my new go-to drone. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We got more videos coming really soon here on the Drone Nerds channel, talking about the zoom, talking about the Mavic 2 and everything else that's going on in the drone world. Also, if you're looking for the best deals on drones and accessories, make sure you check out dronenerds.com. I'll talk to you guys later on.